Cleaning pros are always looking for products and tools to get the job done faster, better, and easier. One of the unsung heroes in the cleaning world? The humble dish wand. Sure, we all know about this for the kitchen. It's great on pots and pans, dishes, sinks, cutlery. But did you know there are tons of other uses for the dish wand around the house? The reason I love it is because it's got the sponge on the base, of course. It also has the soap right here in the handle, so it's nice and convenient. But the handle is the secret. That's what gives you all of the cleaning leverage. You can kind of like reach into places that you couldn't otherwise get. So in this video, I am going to show you 15 different ways that cleaning pros use these dish wands around the house. And you'll notice this one is the Scotch-Brite Advanced Soap Control Dish Wand. This is the one I'm going to be using in the video, and yes, they are sponsoring it. All right, let's do it. If you've ever been given a beautiful bouquet of flowers, you know what happens at the end of the week. You've got some composting to do, and then you have to clean up that vase. An easy way to do it is to use a dish wand with a non-scratching head. It gets right into the nooks and crannies and makes the job so much easier. Same thing with the microwave. The extra leverage that you get with the handle makes cleaning the microwave much, much easier. Quick wipe of a microfiber cloth and you're good to go. Cleaning the fridge is often a difficult job, and if you don't feel like taking all of the shelves and the little baskets and trays out, an easy fix for that is to use a dish wand, have a microfiber cloth with some water on it to rinse off any soapy stuff, and then replace. For kitchen jobs involving the infamous meat juice cleanup, you will want to switch on to one of these brush scrubber heads, add a little squirt of your dish soap from your handle, scrub. You don't have to get your hands dirty, and you get rid of all of that meat juice. Another place this brush scrubber head comes in handy is the washing machine. Of course, I'm using a different one here that I used on the cutting board, but you can use this to clean out the drum of your washing machine. And if you've got any hard water deposits, feel free to use a bit of vinegar in there as well. And with a quick swap out to my non-scratch head, I'm going to use this dish wand to clean bathroom tiles. This is one of the best ways to clean tiles, and if you're looking for that extra bit of reach or some help with mobility, this is an awesome cleaning tool for that job. And of course, you'll use a different head for this job, but cleaning the base and the surround of a toilet is a really important thing to do when you're maintaining your bathroom. Not the most exciting job, which is why I love using the dish wand. I don't have to get my hands dirty. It reaches in places I don't necessarily want to, and it makes the toilet area super clean. Speaking of bathroom floors, you can also use the same head to clean grout. I didn't use any other head here. I don't want to worry about scratching, which is why I'm going with the non-scratch head again, and wipe it clean when you're done. Changing out the head again to the brush scrubber to clean a cooler. That's right, if you've taken your cooler to cool places, you know that it can get a little bit yucky over time. Rather than figuring out the best way to clean it, just grab one of these, give it a quick scrub and wipe down, and the job is done in under a minute. I love using this on outdoor patio furniture as well. That brush scrubber is amazing for cleaning durable fabrics, and it really gets that dirt out, especially if the furniture has been out all season. Now here's where that heavy-duty sponge is going to come in handy, cleaning barbecue grates. If you don't feel like taking this job inside, you can do it outside with one of these guys, a good supply of dish soap, and a little bit of elbow grease. But I gotta tell you, that carbonized grease came off pretty easily. Same thing goes for the oven. Whether you're cooking outdoors or indoors, there's definitely some cleanup required. This is what I would recommend for a non-self-cleaning oven. If it's self-cleaning, don't waste your time, just let the oven do the work for you. And we'll go from burning casseroles to burning rubber. You can use the exact same head to clean your tires. If you notice they're a little bit dirty and you want to put that new car shine on them, do this. Now for your rims, you can switch back to that brush scrubber head. It's great at getting into those detailed spots, but unlike a cleaning toothbrush that would require a lot of scrubbing and you'd have to constantly dip into soapy water, this is a one and done. Same scrubber head can be used to clean out your garbage and recycling bins. Here I'm using this little recycling bin we have in the kitchen, but you better believe we have some pretty yucky ones in the garage, and this is how we now clean them. Same goes for those non-machine washable lunch bags and backpacks. If you have something that you know needs a good cleaning, typically you have to set up soap, water, a little toothbrush. This is a contained cleaning tool. It gets the job done quickly, and you can give the interior or exterior a wipe with a clean, damp cloth. Always remember to clean the Dishwand heads between uses and be mindful of any cross-contamination. A special thanks to Scotch-Brite for sponsoring this video, and of course for providing the fabulous advanced soap control dishwand that I used in this video. These dishwands have an easy to use button that allows for precise soap control, dispensing soap where and when you need it. It's recently been redesigned with a clever little valve that prevents dish soap from leaking no matter how the dishwand is stored. Visit scotchbrite.com to learn more about this and all of their other wonderful products. And that brings me to this week's comment question. It's a little cerebral, and that is, if you were stranded on a desert island and you could only bring 3 cleaning products and tools with you, what would they be? Let me know in the comments down below. I am so curious to see what you would bring along. If you want to see what we're up to during the rest of the week, you can follow along on Instagram. I'm at Melissa Maker. Chad is at the Chad Reynolds. The two of us are at Clean My Space. If you like the Clean My Space channel and you want to support us, a great and easy way to do that is just to watch another video right after this one. And here are a couple I think you might love. If you want to learn more about Maker's clean microfiber cloths, you can click this button right over here. There is a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video, and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.